Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up an antenna on your Roku TV. So what we want to do is find the coax cable that we have running from our antenna, and we're going to screw this in to the back of our Roku TV, and we can see on my Roku TV it's this coax spot right here. I'm going to screw into that and then I'll take you over to the next step. And now with that coax cable screwed in, what we're going to do now is head on over to the home page of our Roku TV. And what we want to do for setting up our antenna is finding a tile that says Live TV. Now, if you don't have one of these Live TV tiles already on your homepage, you're going to be able to add this by going over to the left-hand side menu area, going down to Settings, then go over and down to where it says TV Inputs. And then for the TV Inputs, we want to find where it says Live TV, and we are going to set up this input. So we're going to click OK on that. So setting up Live TV, to watch Live TV, you'll need to scan for channels, choose your TV source to get started. So for this, it's going to be an antenna, clicking OK on that. And it's scanning for channels with my antenna connection. And this will take a little bit of time as it goes through and tries to find all of the channels that you're getting reception for from your antenna. So after going through the scanning process, it was able to find 40 local channels for me over my antenna signal. So at this point, I can click OK on Watch TV. I can view the guide. I can set up Live TV pause, or I can manage channels. And clicking the home button on our Roku remote, going back to the home menu area, and we can find that Live TV tile. And if we want to change the location of where that is, we can click the little star asterisk on our remote, and we can click OK on Move Input, and this will allow us to put this icon exactly where we want it to be. Let's say I want it right here. Clicking OK on the Roku remote, and then it sets it in that place. And to watch Live TV, of course, you just click OK on your Roku TV remote, and that's going to open us up to our antenna channels. It opens us up to the guide, and we can go through and find the channel that we're looking for. And just one more thing, going back to the home screen, if you ever want to change the settings or rescan for antenna channels, or perhaps edit the channel lineup, what you can do is, again, go back down to Settings, and then go down to TV Inputs, and then find the Live TV option, and you can manage your channels. And you can also scan again for channels if you feel like you might be able to pick up a better signal and get more channels available. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you set up a TV antenna on your Roku TV. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.